All right, how many does P get? 5. So here's P. It went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y'all get that? Okay, what if I gave you aluminum? How many valence does aluminum have? 3. So then it would still just be 1, 2, 3. Are you okay with that part? Are you sure? Okay. We are going to build onto this now. So I want you to skip to the bottom where it says examples. This whole bottom section is going to be for examples. So now we're actually going to build structures. I know, I'm sorry. Okay. We're going to build structures, but your starting base point is what we just did. Here are your rules. If carbon is present, you have to start with it. Never start with H. Otherwise, start with a single atom. And what I mean by that is if I had Al2O, there's 2 of these and 1 of these, I would start with this one because there's only 1. That's what I mean single. But we'll get to that. Okay. Y'all ready? So the first example we're going to do is this. Okay. So now I'm building a structure. So never start with H. So what am I going to start with? Okay. We're going to do the dots first. How many dots does S get? 6. Is everybody with me? Okay. So S gets 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we just did that. Now to add on a structure. I have 2 H's. You want to put them where there are single dots. So do you see how these 2 are single? I'm going to put 1 H here and 1 H here. So that shows my 2 H's. Now look on your periodic table. How many dots does H get? 1. The dot that is here does not count. So when you are adding on, if it just gets 1, it's forming a bond. So I start at where it's connecting. So my goal is to form a bond. So that is it. That's my Lewis structure for H2S. Let me do a few and then you'll catch on. Okay. Let's look at this. Okay. Your rule says never start with H. So what am I going to start with? Okay. How many dots does N get?
7.
Nope.
5.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With me so far? Okay. How many letter H's do you have?
3.
So where do I put them?
Left, right, 1.
Where the singles are, right? So H, H, H to show my 3. And then each H gets 1, so they're each going to form a what? A bond. So that is my Lewis structure for NH3. Okay. Let me do a couple more and you'll be like, it gets a little easier. Okay. What am I going to start with on that one? Okay. How many does F get? 7. All right. Where does my H go? Left. And it's going to form. Okay. Easier. Okay. Let me try this one. Okay. These 2 rules don't apply, right? For MGF2. So I'm going to start with the single one. So which one am I going to start with? No. MG. See how this is 2 and this is 1? That's what I'm talking about single. So I'm going to start with MG. Okay. How many dots does MG get?
2.
Okay. So 1, 2. With me so far? Okay. Where are my F's going to go, Stephen?
Right.
where my F's gonna go? How many do you have?
2.
Where do they go? Where can they go?
What do you mean?
They can only go where, Wesley? Singles. So here's a single, so one of them goes here. Here's a single, one of them goes here. Okay. F is different than H. F gets how many? 7. So everybody look up here. The first, I got to do 7. The first one forms a bond. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The first one forms a bond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Does that make sense? So H only forms a bond, but the other ones, because they have more than one valence, they get the extra dots. Let's do another one together. Okay. What do I start with?
The O.
The O. How many does O get? 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. How many F's do you have?
2.
Where do they go?
On the left and
So on the left and bottom. How many does each F get? 7. So the first one forms a bond, and then it's just like that. First one forms a bond. Easy.
Where you get 7 from?
Look at that. Find F. It's in group 17, so it has 7 valence. You want me to redo that? So if I said my F went here because of the single dot, and then it gets 7, the first one forms a bond, and then just like that. Okay. Let me try a different one before I give you one to try on your own. Okay. What do you notice about this one that compares to my rules? C is present. So if C is present, see it tells you right here, you have to start with it in the middle. So I'm going to start with C in the middle. How many dots does C get? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. How many H's do you have? 3. As long as they go on a single dot, it doesn't matter how you place them. So 1, 2, 3. You could have went 1, 2, 3, 1. It doesn't matter. Okay? Each H forms a what? Bond. Okay? Now where will my F go? Right here. And how many does F get? 7. So here's my first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Easier? All right, y'all try this one. Y'all try that one. H2O. Try water. H2O. We did H2S.
If it's C, you must start. Never start with H. Otherwise.
So rule 2 automatically applies, right?
Yeah, never start with H.
Never start with H.
So O, right?
Yes.
Oh, it's 4.
O is 6.
Oh, it's 6. Oh. What the hell was I looking at?
Michaela's messing up my video.
Huh?
I got a video on.
I know. My dad.
What are you starting with?
Let's do it. So I need the numbers of the valence electrons.
So what's going in the middle?
O.
Okay, how many does O get?
6.
Okay, so where do my H's go?
On the single.
On the single. 1, 2, and they just form a what? That's it. If it was F though, then it would have the extra dots around it, right? Anything else but H will have the extra dots. Okay, so we are going to practice. Will you stop?